Alright guys, finally we got this spoiler, Type R replica spoiler painted to match the color for this GSR. That's the GSR right there. We're gonna take out that spoiler and we're gonna put this new one in. This one. It turned out really good. Thanks for the local shop, body shop, painted this. It was like a red with spray on black moldy color on this thing, and then they sand those down and painted with this one. So couple days ago I put this double-sided tape already. Same thing on the other side. It's ready to go. And then what I did here, this is the factory wire for the lights, for the third brake light. Fish it inside so that it will come out on this side. Factory, no cut. And here's the LED third brake light. Just connect to those two connectors right there. No cutting. I tested out, the light is good. Here's the used one right here. I got it for like 20 bucks. It looks shitty. You can see how the wire is in the middle, and this one is on the corner. This is the one I want, because on the spoiler side there's two options here. You can see you have in the middle the wire or the side. I want to do it in the side so that it will block this hole right here with this, so that there's no water going in. And I'm gonna put tape right here so that when it rains there's no water going in. That's why for some spoiler, when you take out the bolts and nuts, they just snap right off here because they all just rust. Water goes in there, and then the metal gets softened over time, many years, and when you take the bolts or the nut, they will snap in half. So I'm gonna take out the old one. Let's get started. So I peeled the trunk panels already, exposed the inside. This is that wire for the third brake light. You could just unhook this connector, and this is the wire would just come out. Here's the two bolts, and I took this off already. You can see it snap because it's just over time they don't stay strong. Water just seized them up, and yeah. So there you go. I'm gonna take them out now. Right, before I forgot, I'm gonna put the third light on before I install the spoiler in the vehicle. It's a lot easier to do it now. This is the old one, and this is the new one I'm gonna put in. So yeah, let's try it out. Okay, before I forgot, show you the bolt that I'm using here. This is a metric 10mm bolt. This plastic thing came from the old bolt, so I'm gonna reuse it on a new one. This goes this way when it goes to the spoiler. This plastic piece protect this bolt from the nut sorry, from the threads to the head of the bolt so they won't snap right off. It's just to protect from the water. Same thing with all the other three. Alright, so before you install this spoiler, do not peel it off. Don't take out this red backing tape yet. It helps you big time later. So we're gonna install this now. Okay guys, what I did here is I covered the hole here. This is where the wire goes in on this side. I covered a hole in there so that there's no water going into the trunk. And then on the other side there's a wire, so you put tape around that wire so that there's no water going in. So make sure you put those in there before you bolt the spoiler down in. When everything is all lined up, the bolt is just hand tight. Same thing on the other side. Now it's time to take out that red backing tape. So take out the bolt again. Just wipe off the bottom of the spoiler and top of the trunk so it's clean. Peel off this red tape. Again, wipe it off the top of the trunk. Make sure it's dry, clean, no dirt in here. Time to line up the hole. I don't know if you can see it here, but the more the bolt get tight, is the force of the tape will stick together. That's good for now, and let's go move to the other side. Alright, so I took the double-sided tape already, the red tape. I just use long nose pliers. I don't want to take out these bolts. So now, no tape. The more we tighten the bolt, is the more force will stick this on there. So let's push it down. Tighten the bolt. Alright, so just tighten up the bolt here. The more the force the bolt will tight, the double-sided will stick on the hood. Sorry, not the hood, the trunk. And then we'll show you what's the final touch on this. Alright, so make sure the wire is all plugged in before you put the panel back in. It's all pushed, lock in place. This spoiler is solid, it's not gonna come out. Make sure, try it out, you know. That's it. So it's clean. Done. Solid. So I'll show you what it looks like now. As you can tell, it's really nice JSR replica spoiler. It's really solid. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.